Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Charms World. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend, and welcome on back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video completely different. I'll be doing a get ready with me a video. I'm just doing the intro for now so that tomorrow when I'm getting ready I could walk you through the steps of what I do in the morning. I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on what videos you'd want to see, just let me know and I'll get it done for you guys. Also, I want to tell you guys, I don't only do flight attendant videos, I have vlogs up and everything for you guys to go ahead and watch and check it out. Okay, so stay tuned for tomorrow morning when I'll be getting ready with you guys. See you then. I get the water running on the hot water because I remember once I didn't run the water and got in and the water was dirty. So I usually run it so it's warm up a bit. The floor is wet. And then I put this out because I don't want in here to get any more messy. Water seems good. It's warm. So now I'm gonna take a shower and I'll be back. So guys, you know the song that Beyonce say, I woke up like this? Well, that's a lie because I looked crazy, okay? I had to take off my bonnet because it got wet. My hair looked crazy, but don't watch that. So now I am getting ready. So I got my face soap. And I have to go back to moisturizing with this because the other moisturizer for the face was not working out for me, guys. And my Listerine, my deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush. So now that we're cleaned, it's time. Do you guys mouthwash and then brush your teeth, or do you brush your teeth and then mouthwash? My nose looks shine. I look crazy. I just woke up. So I can't believe I'm doing this. Anyways. What I usually do is mouthwash and then I oh my god, this voice cracked though. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that?
Oh my god, what is that?
So I use this Listerine. It looks backwards because I'm filming it in front. And then I wash my brush. Yeah. And then I brush my teeth. I like this toothpaste actually. It's called Crest Pro Health Advanced Deep Clean Mint. It's really good. Time to brush your teeth. Okay, so now that I brushed my teeth, guys, ever since I got back from Jamaica, like my skin was flourishing in Jamaica, and ever since I got back, so I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. My doctor had prescribed some stuff for my face and it was doing so good. Look at my face, I got dark circles and the dark spots in my face. And I can't find it. It was working so good for my skin. She prescribed some stuff, so I need to find it. But ever since I got back and I started wearing a mask more, I noticed that my skin is just like, yo, this isn't working out for us. So help me. I was using the Cetaphil the other day, the facial moisturizer, and then they had a serum, but it wasn't working out for me, so I just bought that and wasted my money for no reason. You know, I had to stick to the ones that I know. So I'm so mad about that because I wasted my money. So This is how I wash my face in the morning. before I go to work with this. I mouthwash, brush my teeth, then I wash my face. Okay. Usually I like to use like a napkin to wipe my face because it works better than when you use what do you call it, like towels. But it's just barely my face like this with a towel. I wish the lighting was a little bit bright. I should have brought my my thing, but I forgot it. So that the lighting could be better. Let me see something. If I put it directly in front of there. Better, right? A little better? What do you think? I don't know, but as long as you're getting your content, that's all that matters. I can't believe I'm doing this, guys. Now that our face is washed, my eyebrows look crazy. I usually start moisturizing. Make sure that, and I put on my deodorant so that it could dry in the meantime. It looks crazy now, but I'll watch it. Oh, let me show you guys the I show you guys the Uricin lotion that I use to start moisturizing. It's good, guys. It's been giving what it's supposed to give. Let me stop. It's showing backwards because I'm filming in the front of the phone camera. It's been working wonders for my skin. Like, trust me. Since flying, my skin has been extremely dry and it's just haven't been working. So I'm gonna go moisturize the rest of my body. You can't come. And I'll pick you guys back up. So usually I wear undergarments under my my uniform. I don't just put my uniform on. I have my stockings, I wear like a shorts underneath, you know, to help. And I have like a white shirt under it. So I don't just go like that, you know. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I don't know. I just feel weird. Like, ever since like growing up in Jamaica, we'll always like wear stuff underneath our clothes. So this is my uniform. How you doing, girl? Let me turn the lights on. So my uniform, my shorts that I put on, and my stockings. Look at my skin. You see how right here is kind of like dry? I have to moisturize. Like, have to. So I put some of the Uricin like right here. I have to moisturize the whole of my body. Because my skin, I'm telling you guys, it got extremely dry. Got extremely dry since flying. Yo, I look crazy. Look at my edges. Jesus Lord. Help a sister out. I need to go redo my hair. Oh my God. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, guys, so now that I have on all my undergarments, I need to go put my uniform on. I like to clear up my stuff in the meantime and put them in my bag. But I'll just wait for a little bit after I do my edges. Listen, I'm not a pro at edges, but I try. Got my little, you know, edge brush and I swoop. So I'm trying to grow my hair. So, cause last year, COVID, I cut it off so much, like really short, like barber short. So it grew back a lot though. So I usually keep the braids in for long. I wash it as well, so that my hair can grow in the meantime. Like, yeah. So let me go put my uniform on. I need to go get my eyebrows waxed, guys, right? Yeah. It's looking a little crazy. Put my uniform on. I said that before. And in the mornings, I like to listen to music, but obviously I can't right now because of YouTube, and my video will get flagged. So I normally listen to my music, get into my groove. I normally pray. I don't know if some of you guys do. Usually I say a prayer to God, and I use this spray. It's almost finished. It's my favorite spray. It's Pink Chiffon from Bath and Body Works. I like using it. It's one of my favorite. It's not too crazy, because you know sometimes you go on the aircraft and some packs, their perfume is like, yo, did you shower in this? Like, what's going on with their fragrance? Like, what is going on? Anyways, gonna put my uniform on. I wish I had a bit better setup, like if the tripod was like this. But either way, we gotta work with what we got this morning. It's not a bad setup, so I think let's see, what did I do? It's not a bad setup. So I'm gonna go put my uniform on. Again, I said that already, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm doing my hair. Okay guys, the time now is 5:30, and I have my dress on. Put this down there. Let me hide this. So we're doing good with time. Put my watch on. I actually got this watch from Amazon, guys. Just something, because I don't have any. The only thing I have that's Apple is this phone right here and my laptop. That's it. So yeah, I just needed a fitness watch to like track my steps and stuff. Yeah. This iron at this hotel, it doesn't like, I feel like there's no in between. It's either extremely cold or extremely hot. And my dress got even though you can't see it like that, but it's like in my head I could see it. In my head I could see it. So I usually like dab my my little edge brush a little bit and brush through my hair. And I usually spray this, but I noticed that it's leaving like white spots in my hair. So what is in this is water and what is it called? Black castor oil that I have from Jamaica, and I usually spray it in my hair, but it's leaving the white stuff. So I'm just gonna spray it back here. Like when I add the edge control, it leaves like a white thing, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna spray my braid and just use water for my hair to help with a little moisture. So I actually got this from Jamaica. It's really good. It's called Morphos. Listen, I'm not gonna even, I'll link it down below, the name of it, but that's what it's called. It's a hair wax. I usually just put it on my hair. In Jamaica, this does not work for me down there. That humidity, it's like, girl, where you going with this? But I noticed, even though it's hot over here now, it doesn't bother. It's actually lasting my hair long. Listen, I'm not a pro at laying edges, okay? But I try. Mind you, my mom could do hair, but I just didn't pay attention in that department. I paid attention when it came to food. I love my food. So yeah. So today we're going to Atlanta. We're going into Atlanta. Lord, sometimes I don't like going into Atlanta. I feel like some different type of people is there. The flight attendants are different. The gate agents are different. The people are different. So we go from, I'm in Cedar Rapids, so Cedar Rapids to Atlanta, and then we do a Baton Rouge turn, and then we deadhead to Savannah, Georgia. Georgia. So we deadhead to Savannah, Georgia, and then we're done for the day. The Baton Rouge turn is a really quick turn. It's not long. I'm working in the back today. Guys, listen. I'm not the best when it comes to hair, but I do try. I do. Just want to look presentable for work, you know what I mean? You want to just look like you roll out of bed. Trust me, I work with people that look like girl, what's like, you need something? Like, what's going on? You know? I had to look if I was recording, like, what's going on? All right, so I think I'm gonna pull my braid out. I don't wanna pull it out because like, I want my hair to look a little laid, but this is fine for now. Let me just add some more. Man. How do I look? Do I look okay? Is it okay? My braid. I need some water to drink. All right, I think this is okay. It's not the best, but I usually just, you know, go like this with my brows, comb them. I need to get them waxed. And I usually re-moisturize my face because my face gets extremely dry. That's one reason why I got that face moisturizer from Cetaphil. But it doesn't work for my face. Only this one, daily moisturizer for body and face. I don't know. It was just giving me bumps. But I usually re-moisturize my face again. I know it looks oily, but it'll calm down. it will go deep in my skin. I don't know the correct terminology for that, but yeah. I don't wear makeup to work. I'm not about that life. I'm sorry. Only when I go out, and it's rare that I wear makeup because it's hot or it's time consuming. Like, I've worked with flight attendants that have to get up extremely early so they could put on makeup. I'm not about that life. I try to look presentable for work as long as I look decent. Look at the difference from when I woke up. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should wake up like this. Anyways, I'm gonna clear up my area and then I'm gonna pack my bag. So I'll see you guys in a few to close out this get ready with me. Okay guys, so now that my bag is packed up and ready to go, I'm trying to look around to see, but I use the Eurocin hand lotion as well. It's really good. And I bought some hand lotion from, listen, I have a lot of lotion. I had bought some from Bath and Body Works. Some of them works, but some of them doesn't give that long lasting moisture like the Eurocin. This works too. This one's from Restorative Hand Cream from Bath and Body Works. I usually mix it. It smells so good. Cause now that we're on the aircraft and I gotta constantly wash my hands and use the alcohol wipes to wipe my hand. It dries out your hands, so, and it looks, yeah, your hand looks crazy. So I try to moisturize my hands, make sure they're really moisturized, because yeah, listen, moisturize, guys, because that's how, when you don't moisturize, that's how you age even more. So now let me see if I could put you guys down a little bit with my tripod. I'm gonna pack out my lunch from the fridge. Let me plug this out. I'm gonna get out my lunch. So what I usually do to save a little money and to not buy as much food, I usually get my food stuff from the Dollar Tree, like, you know, those dinner stuff, or you could go to Target and like get them as well. Get those little dollar stuff. Target has good selection on those dinner food. Instead of cooking a lot, like, I don't have time for that. So, and it lasts me for the entire trip, and I also don't have to spend money outside unless, you know, I'm feeling for something. So that's what I started doing, buying a bunch of stuff like this. I really enjoy this. Is the beef and broccoli. You may not like it, but I like it. I buy them from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, it lasts me. And I buy like these hot pockets things for breakfast, like, and they have the breakfast sandwich as well. So let me pack my bag properly, guys. Let me put you guys over here real quick. I'll be back. Okay, so now my lunch bag is packed and I'm ready to go. Time to put on my ID. I'll just wait to put that on. So what I usually do is look around to see if there is anything missing in my hotel room. Walk around and I look to see. I usually just put back the towels in the bathroom, and I need to leave my room now because it's 4:57, and I usually like to be downstairs like 10 minutes prior, because I told you, if you haven't watched my videos, I told you the last time I went downstairs on time and the van was full, and I was like, never again, my ass is gonna be down here before the time period. So now that I'm ready to go, thank you for stopping by and helping me get ready for work. When I get on the aircraft, I'll close the vlog out for you guys and say my goodbyes. I hope this was good enough content for you guys, and yeah, got my mask. I have a lot of these in my bag. Change your mask, because it, you know, could affect your face as well. I have to change my mask constantly, even sometime during the day, just so my face doesn't like, oh my god, what is this? All right. Yeah, ready to go. Looked around, everything's good. I see you guys in a few. Hey guys, oh lord, I'm on the aircraft now. Working in the back, as I told you guys. I love you guys so much for watching. I have more videos to come. I have two more story time. I have two story times to tell you guys. One of them is not pertaining to flight attendant video. I have another flight attendant video coming next week. It's going to be a sit down video, and then the last two will be story times. Yeah, so journey with me. We're trying to change things up a bit, and then the vloggings will resume soon. All right, well, this is kind of a vlog, so I see you guys in my next video Sunday, 4 p.m. same time, same place. Yes, okay, see you. see you again. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your week, and yeah.